What's up, guys? Today I want to show you how to level up your brand without putting too much stress, because most local businesses look unprofessional because they are designer all over the place. They use different fonts, different colors, no structure, and Canva fix that in just 5 minutes. So what I will do now is just go straight up to my computer and show you exactly how to do these things in just simple steps. Right now, we're inside Canva. You can create a brand kit, your logo, and Canva lets you choose the perfect colors that will match exactly your brand. You can even choose different fonts. Every design you make will match. And trust me when I say this alone will make your brand look 10 times more trustworthy. Because the funniest thing is Canva gives you the free templates for menus, posters, flyers, Instagram stories, and YouTube thumbnail, all for free. Like, you don't need to be a design, you just plug in your words and your pictures. But to test this, maybe you should try to take your old poster from your business, drop it inside Canva, and I promise after that, your business will instantly look more professional. And personally, like, I believe that professional design is more trust, and more trust is more said, because customers will really take you seriously when your business look organized. Oh, and if you want your customers to choose you, not your competition, I suggest that you start from today to use Canva, because it's free, it saves time, and it's simple. So what I will do now is just show you exactly what Canva just created for me. I didn't do anything, I didn't touch anything, I didn't write anything. So Canva did all the work. The the photos, writing, everything, colors, even colors. So I'll show you what just Canva just did for me right now. So let me just show you. So this is what Canva just did for me, and it has like a black and gray. What I would do, like, here, I would probably change the font, but for me, what I would do, I would change the color. If it was my brand, I would change the color. And I like the background photos. I really like that. But this how I want. This is how what I wanted to show you guys. I'm not going to talk about anything like, oh, I'm not going to talk about a lot of stuff. But I wanted to show you what Canva just did for me. So that is why I said that I suggest, if you want your thumbnail, your YouTube thumbnail to be more professional, or if you want your YouTube, your Instagram stories to be more professional, I suggest you, or even your flyers for your business or your posters, I suggest that you start from today to use Canva. It's free, it saves tons of time. You don't need to have a whole day, but 5 minutes of your time, then it's done. So yeah, guys, that's all I wanted to show you today. And I don't know if this video really makes some sense, but if it does make some sense to you, and if it helps you, please just drop down there. Don't forget to like and leave the comment down below, and hit the subscription button below. So I hope that I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.